As electric vehicles become more widespread, the demand for charging stations continues to increase. AGG Energy Pack can be used in combination with photovoltaic panels to meet the charging needs of electric vehicles in different circumstances, realizing a safe and convenient, environmentally friendly, and energy-saving charging method. Photovoltaic panels generate electricity for the charging stations while simultaneously charging the energy pack. When night falls and the photovoltaic panels can no longer supply power, the energy pack will use the stored energy to continue powering the charging stations. AGG Energy Pack is not only ideal for charging electric vehicles, but is also widely used in zero-carbon smart parks, commercial complexes, concerts, data centers, mobile communication base stations, microgrids, mining areas, urban rail transit, and more. With a focus on green energy, AGG Energy Pack effectively reduces operating costs, making it the optimal choice for balancing environmental sustainability and economic efficiency.